Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a wallet in Coinbase. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You'll then set up a strong, unique password to protect your funds. Remember, this password is crucial for accessing your wallet, so keep it secure and memorable. Next, you'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet, so write it down accurately. Store it in a very safe, offline place, like a locked safe or a secure document. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your digital assets. Losing it means losing your crypto. Now that your wallet is secure, it's time to add funds. You can link your bank account or a debit card to purchase cryptocurrency directly within the app. Alternatively, if you already own crypto on another exchange or in a different wallet, you can easily transfer it to your new Coinbase wallet using its unique address. This process is straightforward and quick. With funds in your wallet, you can now send and receive various cryptocurrencies to and from others. You can also explore the exciting world of decentralized applications, or dApps, directly through your Coinbase wallet. It's a powerful tool for interacting with the broader Web3 ecosystem. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below this video. Enjoy managing your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.